Welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be learning 27 Igbo verbs and the example in sentences. So if this is what you love to do, sit down, relax and watch this video to the very end. Subscribe and hit the like button. Ngwano kanyi bido. Banye. Banye. Number 1 is banye. Banye, enter. Banye, enter. Banye n'ime ụgbọala ahụ. Enter that car. Banye n'ime ụgbọala ahụ. Enter that car. Now you only tell people banye, that's enter, when you are not inside where you're asking them to enter. So banye n'ime ụgbọala ahụ means that the person, you that you are telling that person to enter that car, you are outside, you are not inside. Okay, so because we have another word for enter or come in when you are inside. So banye n'ime ụgbọala ahụ. Enter that car. Banye. Number 2, ba. So this is the same thing as banye. Ba and banye are the same thing. It's also enter. Ba, enter. Ba n'ime ụgbọala ahụ. Enter that car. So this time I decided to use ụgbọala and afọ for you to know the different variations in Igbo. Okay, so what I teach on this channel is general Igbo, and most times there could be 2 or 3 variants of word for same thing. So I love you to know the different variants. So ba n'ime ụgbọala ahụ. Enter that car. Number 3, bata. Come in. Bata. So this means you are inside already and you're asking someone to come in. Bata n'ime, come inside. Bata n'ime, come inside. Number 4, be, cut. Be ya ụzọ abụọ. Be ya ụzọ abụọ. Cut it into 2. 5, be. Ha bi n'Ọnịsha. Live. Ha bi na Ọnịsha. They live in Ọnịsha. Ha bi na Ọnịsha. 6, buru. Carry. Buru ya n'isi gị. Carry it on your head. Buru ya n'isi gị. Carry it on your head. 7, bunye. Carry and give. Carry and give. Now why I have to use carry and give is because there are 2 words for give in Igbo. There is give if it's something light, and there is give if it's something that is heavy that you have to carry. So this is bunye, when you are giving someone something that is heavy that you have to exert energy for you to carry. So you are carrying it and you are giving it to the person. So that's bunye. Bunye ya ibua. Give her this load. Bunye ya, you can see Ibu load is something you have to carry, something that requires energy. So you are going to use bunye. You are not going to use the other give. Okay, we are going to still come across the other give in part 2 of this series. Bunye ya ibua. Bunye ya ibua. Give her this load. 8, buje. Carry to. So you are carrying something that is heavy to somewhere or to somebody. Carry to. Buje ibua ebe ahụ. Carry this load to that place. Buje ibua ebe ahụ. 9, bute. Carry and bring. That's, you are carrying something that is heavy and you are bringing it to someone. Okay? Carry and bring. Bute ya eba. Bring it here. So there is another word for bring, but that word for bring is if it's something light that is not heavy. But if it's something heavy that someone is asking you to bring, the person will use bute. Bute ya eba. Bring it here. Number 10, bo. bo, is, is. Obi bụ nwoke. Obi bụ nwoke. Obi bụ nwoke. Obi is a boy. Now it's important for you to know that it's not all the time that is in Igbo is bo. So this is one of the things with in our Igbo group class that will be coming up from the 4th, that's Saturday, the first week of this Saturday. This is what you'll be learning in our Igbo group class. So we is can be bo, it can be de, it can be no. So there are several usages of is in Igbo. So one way of is saying is in Igbo is bo. Obi bụ nwoke. Obi bụ nwoke. 11. Chere, 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 wait, wait. Chere ebe afọ. Chere ebe afọ. Yes, ebe afọ, ebe ahụ, they are the same thing. Chere ebe afọ, wait there. Wait there. Number 12. Chia ọchị. Chia ọchị, laugh. Chia ọchị. Gbaa mbọ chịa ọchị n'ụtụtụ. Gbaa mbọ chịa ọchị n'ụtụtụ. Make sure you laugh in the morning. Gbaa mbọ chịa ọchị n'ụtụtụ. So, let's take a commercial break. We'll continue. Enrollment into our group adult Igbo class for January is ongoing. So it will be commencing from January, and it's a 20 weeks Igbo class. 20 weeks, which means 5 months. And it will be held 1 hour weekly on Saturdays by 7 p.m. Saturdays by 7 p.m. 1 hour. So after each class, you have to get a video of a recorded video of what you were taught in that class, and you also get an assignment for you to do. That assignment is normally for you to translate an English sentence based on what you were taught in the just concluded class to Igbo, and you have to also send an audio of you reading it out, because we'll be checking also your pronunciation to be sure you are pronouncing the words correctly. And this Igbo class, we're going to start from the very basic to Igbo grammar. That's past tense, present tense, past participle, and what have you, to Igbo grammar, and we progress to you formulating simple sentences in the Igbo language, asking questions in the Igbo language, answering questions in the Igbo language, and also formulating complex sentences in the Igbo language. Now, it is very affordable. If this is something you would love to do, check description or caption for more details on this. Now, let's move forward. Number 14. Cheta, 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 remember. Cheta, remember. Cheta gaa ebe ahụ echi. Cheta gaa ebe ahụ echi. Remember to go there tomorrow. Cheta gaa ebe ahụ echi. Number 15. Chụọ ọsọ. Chụọ ọsọ. Pursue. Pursue. Chụọ nwa afọ ọsọ. Chụọ nwa afọ ọsọ. Pursue that child. Chụọ nwa afọ ọsọ. Pursue that child. 16. Chọrọ. 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 Want. Ọ chọrọ nke a. Ọ chọrọ nke a. She wants this one. Ọ chọrọ nke a. Ọ chọrọ nke a. She wants this one. 17. Chọọ. Chọọ. Search. Chọọ. Chọọ. Chọọ ya. Search for it. Chọọ ya. Chọọ ya. Search for it. This can also be look for. Look for it. Chọọ ya. 18. Chee. Chee echiche. Chee echiche. Think. Now you can see I put echiche in bracket, meaning that sometimes you can just say chee or you can still say che echiche. Meanwhile, echiche itself is thought. Your thoughts. Echiche. Echiche. So che echiche means think, or you can just say che. So let's look at a sentence. Che makaya, think about it. Che makaya, think about it. I can still say che echiche makaya. Che echiche makaya, think about it. 19. They right. They right. They ihuru. They ihuru. Write what you said. They ihuru. Write what you said. 20. Doka tie. Doka akwụkwọ gị. Tear your book. Doka akwụkwọ gị. Doka akwụkwọ gị. Tear your book. Die 21. Die endure. Die endure. Die ajọ omume ya. Die ajọ omume ya. Endure his bad character. Die ajọ omume ya. 22. Daa fall. Daa fall. Nana. Fall on the ground. Fall on the ground. 23. Kwa warm. As to warm a food or heat up a food, okay? Not that something is warm. Kwa warm. Kwa ofe ahụ na-efife. Kwa ofe ahụ na-efife. Warm that soup in the afternoon. Kwa ofe ahụ na-efife. Warm that soup in the afternoon. 24. Danye. This is cutting from da. You know, we say da is fall. Danye is fall into. Danye n'ime olulu. Danye n'ime olulu. Danye n'ime olulu. Fall into a pit. 25. Depụta. Gotten from the word de. De is right. We've done that before. So this depụta means write out. Depụta, write out. Depụta okwu ndị a. Depụta okwu ndị a. Depụta okwu ndị a. Write out these words. 26. Detuo. Write down. Detuo ahịrịokwu ndị a. Now, detuo is gotten from the word de as well. So the first one, the word de, then we have depụta, then we now have detuo. Detuo, write down. Detuo ahịrịokwu ndị a. Write down these sentences. 27. Debe, keep. Keep. Debe akwụkwọ m ebe a. Keep my book here. Debe akwụkwọ m ebe a. Debe akwụkwọ m ebe a. Keep my book here. If this video was helpful to you, one thing you need to do for me is to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share. And our Igbo group adult class is open. It's something that will start from basic to you learning how to construct your own sentences in the Igbo language, and it's affordable. Check description or caption for details.